We are doing a project on cloud computing security from single to multi-clouds under the guidance of S. Govindarao, Associate Professor, Computer Science Department, GRIT. Our team members are Shushrita, Sukirti, Saumeshri and Amrita. The use of cloud computing has increased rapidly in many organizations. Cloud computing provides many benefits in terms of low cost and accessibility of data. Ensuring the security of cloud computing is a major factor in the cloud computing environment, as users often store sensitive information with cloud storage providers. But these providers may be untrusted. Dealing with single cloud providers is predicted to become less popular with customers due to risks of service availability failure and the possibility of malicious insiders in the single cloud. A movement towards multi-clouds, or in other words interclouds or cloud of clouds, has emerged recently. This paper surveys recent research related to single and multi-cloud security and addresses possible solutions. It is found that the research into the use of multi-cloud providers to maintain security has received less attention from the research community than has the use of single clouds. This work aims to promote the use of multi-clouds due to its ability to reduce security risks that affect the cloud computing user. Existing system. Cloud providers should address privacy and security issues as a matter of high and urgent priority. Dealing with single cloud providers is becoming less popular with customers due to potential problems such as service availability failure and the possibility that there are malicious insiders in the single cloud. Proposed system. As data and information will be shared with a third party, cloud computing users want to avoid an untrusted cloud provider. Protecting private and important information such as credit card details or a patient's medical records from attackers or malicious insiders is of critical importance. In addition, the potential for migration from a single cloud to a multi-cloud environment is examined, and research related to security issues in single and multi-clouds in cloud computing are surveyed. The modules used in our project are data integrity, data intrusion, service availability, and Debsky system model. Data integrity. One of the most important issues related to cloud security risks is the data integrity. The data stored in the cloud may suffer from damage during transition operations from or to the cloud storage provider. One of the solutions that they propose is to use a Byzantine fault-tolerant replication protocol within the cloud. Data intrusion. Another security risk that may occur with a cloud provider is a hacked password or data intrusion. If someone gains access to an account password, they will be able to access all of the account's instances and resources. Thus, the stolen password allows the hacker to erase all the information inside any virtual machine instance for the stolen user account, modify it, or even disable its services. Service availability. Another major concern is service availability. The user's web service may terminate for any reason at any time if any user's file break the cloud storage policy. In addition, if any damage occurs to any web service and the service fails, in this case there will be no charge to the company for this failure. Companies seeking to protect services from such failure need measures such as backups or use of multiple providers. Debsky system model. The Debsky system model contains three parts: readers, writers, and four cloud storage providers, where readers and writers are the client's tasks. Readers can fail arbitrarily. For example, they can fail by crashing, they can fail from time to time and then display any behavior, whereas writers only fail by crashing. This is the Debsky system architecture, where the user data is split into four different clouds so that the privacy and security of the data is maintained. First, the user has to sign up in order to upload his file. After signing up, he has to log in using the username and password which he has given during sign up. After he logs in, he can upload the file or download the file. First, initially not to upload the file, the user has to give the file name and choose the file which he wants to upload. After the user uploads the file is split into three parts along with the key. Later, the file uploaded by the user should be verified by the owner. After the owner verifies, the provider has to verify the file. If both the verifications are successful, then the client can download the file. Here, first the client has to verify the keys and the data each of the server. As the data is split into three parts, he has to verify with the three servers in order to download. If the verification is successful, then the user can download the complete file. This project focuses on the issues related to data security aspect of cloud computing. As data and information will be shared with a third party, cloud computing users want to avoid an untrusted cloud provider. Protection of users' important data is the most significant part of this project. Thank you.